Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about telling you the reason why I got different results from what was found on the paper, and I will also be making a couple comments about the dataset that was shared with us. So, these essentially are the results I'm getting, and let's compare these results to the table. Okay. So on the table, essentially what we see is that we have a 12% EPE versus 15% and 5% outliers versus 12% outliers. The main reason why this is so different is because of the implementation of the loss function, number one, and number two, it's because of the data set that was shared with us. So without showing you my actual answer, I'll just move to the parts so that I can show you the code. So here's the code. Okay. So in the paper, it's suggested that there will be some sort of a cycle a loss. Like in the paper, it mentions cycle consistency loss, and it shows us this equation. Okay. So here, the chaining loss with cycle consistency regularization. So the implementation of this inside the code is here. And this is L2 loss, not the type of loss that is presented in the paper. Now the TensorFlow version, the original repo, has the correct implementation, but the repo that was shared with us in this Python notebook doesn't do. I think doesn't follow the same principles. Plus, so here are my comments about the data set that was shared with us. So uh, so so the inputs are basically different. On the data set, the NPZs that were shared with us, the color related features are missing. So since the color related features are missing, I think it's even like kind of wrong to actually compare the results, because we aren't even working with the same number of features or same type of features. Those are all my findings and comments about this week's homework. I basically had to re-implement a lot of things from the repository that was shared with us, and make some changes so that it would work with the MPZs. Yeah, that's all about this week. I think. Thank you for listening to me.